What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I just wanted to get into X1. I wanted to talk about the X1 credit card, and there's a new article, new information out here. So make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. This is great to hear because I didn't hear anything of X1 for quite some time, but X1 raised $12 million in funding for the credit card. Mainly came from Spark Capital, and it's phenomenal to see. This is the credit card design. How I feel about vertical credit cards is I don't really feel any type of way. I've never really been a fan, but it's a credit card. It's about what it can do, and for some purposes, it's about the design of the card and the feel of the card and things like that. But it does seem like a good card. Stainless steel, looks nice, great color. It's not like a crazy, ridiculous color. But anyways, this article is about X1 raising $12 million in funding. The company is building a credit card that sets limits based on your income, your current and future income, not your credit score. Spark Capital is the one leading this with a number of people, and you do have American Express. You have the former chief risk officer included in this from American Express, so he's backing it. The company says that it has attracted over 300,000 signups on the wait list, including me, which I'm at 190, I believe. Hopefully I can get moved up the list. The X1 credit card is a stainless steel Visa credit card with a different origin story. When you apply for the card, instead of determining your limits based on your credit score, the company wants to see your current and future income. The startup believes that the credit score system is outdated and does not reflect the credit worthiness. That's why it does not use it to calculate your limits. Your credit score still affects the variable APR of 12.9% to 19.9%, but that's it. There are also a lot of software features that work with the credit card. For instance, you can track your subscriptions from the X1 app. That's crazy. You can also generate the auto-expiring virtual card for free trials that require a credit card. You also get notifications for refunds. So there's a lot of technology in this card that really sets it apart from any other card. But in order to do this, you have to use these cards for those subscriptions. As for rewards, you get 2 times back on all purchases. If you're a heavy user and you spend more than $15,000 on your card per year, you're upgraded to a new tier and you earn 3 times points. There's also a virtual element as you get a boosted reward level when you refer a friend. You get 4 times points for a month. You can then spend your points with retail partners, and they have a list of all of their retail partners, and they're going to probably keep expanding that list. It's not really spending points like you normally would spend points, whether you put it towards a travel, I don't know, some sort of vacation that you have or a travel booking, but it's probably going to expand as time goes on. Right now, it's really with certain retail partners, and it's going to keep expanding to different ones, and then eventually it'll expand to everything that a normal credit card has to offer. The company has promised a lot of features and now has enough cash in its bank account to deliver. Let's see if the company can live up to the hype. I believe that they can. Let's see how this takes off. Obviously, people are excited about it. You have 300,000 users, 300,000 people that are really interested. I looked at this a few months ago and I signed up for it. I feel like going on so many months, you should have had that many people. You should have more people that sign up. Like for me, I signed up. I can't remember when it was, but it was a few months ago. You would think that how many people they had interested at the time, that they would have double that amount or triple that amount. You know, I was 190 when I signed up, which was a couple of months ago, meaning that you should have had like 100,000 people sign up, 200,000 people sign up by then to get it to 400,000. So they had 100,000, they got it to 300,000 people that signed up that are on the waiting list, but it should be to a higher extent. It should be to 500,000, 600,000. So let's continue to get this out there. If you're interested in this card, it definitely seems like a great credit card. I understand that we're going through tough times, but it does seem like a great credit card. I have a link down below. You can use my link in order to sign up. Then I get pushed up 500 spots. So definitely check out the credit card. It looks like it's going to be a good one. It doesn't hurt to get on the waiting list if you are interested in this card, because 4 times is amazing. If you get 4 times points by referring one friend, then you can do that and you can get 4 times points on everything that you spend, which is way more, double the amount than what you would get with the Citi Double Cash card, and that's the standard card you would use for everything. So that's my update for the X1 credit card. Let me know what you think about this card. Do you feel like it's just a story? It's just something that's out there. It's going to be something that's in the news right now, but it doesn't really matter in the next couple of months when they actually launch. I think it's going to be pretty good. I can't wait to see what they really have to offer and how they expand their features, their rewards, their redeemable retail stores. I can't wait to see all of that. So make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, check out some of the links down below, including the X1 credit card link. Also, get your free stocks with Webull down below. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.